Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to draw a coconut. You'll need a HB pencil, an 8B pencil, a dark brown pencil, a burnt brown pencil, and a sienna brown pencil, or as close as you can get. So the first thing you need to do is draw the shape of the coconut. If you want to, you can use a template or you can just draw it by hand. I'm just going to use this to draw around. Then you can go on about the parts that are a bit messy and make it nicer. The next thing you need to do is draw the different parts on the coconut. So you can start with drawing 3 little circles at the top in like a triangle shape. Then you can draw little lines like here, like growing out of the coconut, some more here. Then you can draw the face, so 2 big circles, smaller circle in the corner, little eyebrows, smile, cap it off, and some cheeks. Then any eyelashes if you want to make it a girl. And once you've done that, you can add highlights on the coconut. So go on here, draw a line, and draw it back around like that, and again on the other side, a line, curve back around like that. Now the next thing you need to do is go around and make it stand out more with your darker pencil. Now once you've done that, you can colour it in. So you can go around and colour the coconut in. You can colour in the base of the coconut with your dark brown. Now once you've done that, you can colour in the highlights. So the left side, you will make it a lot more lighter. Then the other side, get your darker sienna pencil. Then you can just go around and do the finishing touches. Oh, and you can also colour in the cheeks brown as well. And there you have it, your coconut. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week with another one.